This video will show you how to create a user account as an employer in Handshake, as well as joining an existing company or creating a new company profile. To get started, go to joinhandshake.com/employers and click on Sign Up at the top right of the screen. Enter in your company email address. It's important to use your company email address because Handshake will use your email domain to match you with your company if it already exists in Handshake. Then create a password and click Sign Up. On the next page, enter in your first and last name. Your phone number is used as a point of contact for career centers and will not be visible to students. The job title should be filled out with your personal job title, not for the jobs you are recruiting for. Then select your country. Next, fill out the types of candidates you'd like to find. Check the box next to the major categories you'd like to source from. If you'd like, you can add your alma mater, the school you formerly attended or graduated from. Type to search the school name and enter in your graduation year. Your name, job title, and alma mater will be displayed on your user profile. Click Save and Continue. A pop-up will appear with the Handshake Employer Guidelines, which includes the terms of service and privacy policy. It's important that you review the guidelines and linked resources before you proceed. A pop-up will appear with Handshake Employer Guidelines, which includes the terms of service and privacy policy. It's important that you review the guidelines and linked resources before you proceed. Make sure to select whether or not you are a third-party recruiter working on behalf of another company. Click the box for I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy to move forward, and I agree to receive marketing messages, including promotions and special offers from Handshake, if desired. Then click Save and Continue. The next page contains instructions on how to verify your account via the email address you used to sign up. The email should arrive in 10 minutes with a link to confirm your account. Email verification links are active for 12 hours after they are sent, so make sure to confirm your account right away. After you click the link in the email to verify your account, you'll be redirected to Handshake to find and join your company or create a new company profile.